Georgia with Creative Moments by G. Welcome back. Did you have a wonderful Christmas? I know I did. I just love that time of year, getting together with the family and making special memories. Well, this morning, my sister and I made a special memory. We created this card. Isn't this beautiful? It uses our new heartfelt stamp set with Stampin' Up! We are going to make another version of this. I think you're really going to like it. And don't forget to stick around till the end of the video because we have some different cards that we made to show you that use that stamp set. So let's head over to the crafting table and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get our card cut, right? So we are going to use a black base and we are going to cut it 5.5 by 8.5, and we're going to score it in the middle at 4 1/4. We need to cut our inside mat, and that is going to be, let's see, that is going to be 4 by 5 1/4. That'll go on the inside. And then we have a couple of mats on the outside that we need to cut. So our first mat on the outside is going to be real red, and it is going to be 4 and 5 1/4. And then we're going to mat on top of it with some Whisper White, and that needs to be 3 3/4 by 5. We need to cut a strip of paper, and that black paper is just 1/4 inch by 6, and then we're going to use a cute little diagonal using this DSP paper. And this comes from the, what's it called? The Golden Honey Designer Series paper, and it comes out on January 3rd. So cute. And this mat is going to be 3.5 by 4 3/4, but we cut it at a diagonal. So let's go ahead and get this glued down, okay? I think you're going to really like this card. And oh my goodness, you know Valentine's Day is just around the corner. You need to start making those cards, right? This is going to be a friend card though. You'll see what the message is going to say. So cute. So now we have to put down the first mat. We are going to use our real red. We're going to glue it down. Okay. And see, we have a nice little border. And I like using that wet glue because it lets you slide it around. Now this is going to be a landscape card, so you got to make sure and put your mats on right. Now this one is going to go on top. Just going to get a little bit of glue. You don't have to use a lot. Glue it down. We keep seeing on the TV people having a white Christmas. We live in the sunny Southwest. We didn't have a white Christmas. So I'm kind of jealous if you had a white Christmas. This next one, I love diagonals. Red, black, and white, and then diagonals. It is so pretty. And what we're going to do is we're not going to have any border that goes around this black and white. Like this, it's going to go all the way up to the white. And remember, all these dimensions are going to be on my blog, and the blog link is in the description below the video. Super easy to get to. So let's get this just right. Okay. So cute, this design, and you can do so many different things. You'll see some different cards that we made using this. So far, we have it right. Move that up just a little bit. And now, what we've done is we've used our punches. Have you seen these punches? Look at these cute punches. You can buy them when the catalog comes out, January 3rd. You can buy those punches. And we are going to use some dimensionals for the back of both sides of this. So let's put this one on first. We're just going to use three dimensionals, one in the top, and I'm going to use my pokey tool to get those backings off of the dimensionals. I like that. I love things to be quick and easy, right? We're just going to lay that down. Okay, now we're going to set it up again because that gives you the added depth that you want, right? So we are going to just put one in the top part of the heart. And then, boy, sometimes they don't even want to come off that backing, do they? We need to put our diagonal on, right? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we have our diagonal laid on there. It's looking good. Now we are ready to put on our heart, right? I put my glasses on and take them off. So we're going to put our heart about right here. We are going to stamp the cutest little message. It says, being friends is better than eating candy, but let's do that too. Of course, it's Valentine's Day, right? Gotta have your chocolate candy. Okay, so I'm gonna stamp it off. Okay. Make sure we get it inked up really well. Now we're just gonna lay it down right there. And I'm just gonna hold it for good contact, right? So we get as much ink as we can on the. Look at that. Now I'm going to add a few little hearts, red hearts. And I'm going to use a real red. We're just going to put a few little, we're just going to kiss it with a few little hearts. There. Maybe down here. Oh, maybe one over here. One up at the very top. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, now we need to do the inside. So on the inside, I think we'll just say, Happy Valentine's Day, because this is for a friend, right? Put it right in the middle. And we're gonna hold it so we get all the ink from the stamp, right? There we go. Look at this. Well, here's our card that we created. Isn't it cute? I just love those black and white stripes, don't you? Look at these cards we created. Aren't they adorable? There are so many possibilities with this card, with this stamp set. We just love them, right? Well, I hope this gives you some ideas about how to use this stamp set, and I hope you're excited because when January 3rd rolls around, I know a lot of people are going to want this stamp set. Well, go out and have a fantastic day. Be creative with your crafting. Use these ideas, and we'll see you in the next video.